Hey, it's Danielle from For Patriots. In light of Hurricane Ian, which we've just had here in the southern U.S., I wanted to take a moment to talk about how to eat after a hurricane or major storm. As you know, sometimes when we have a major storm, things can go down. We might not have electricity to our home or gas to our home. Sometimes there's a water boil notice. The water coming to our home might not be safe or not available at all. So I've got a few products that can take this major issue and turn it into no problem at all. Over here I have three things. I have our off-grid water filtration system, I have our Starfire camp stove, and I have our 72-hour survival food kit. These three things are perfect together to provide safe drinking water and food to eat after any sort of emergency. Let's start first with the water. This is our outdoor water filtration system, and it can take any freshwater source. That could be a rain barrel, your swimming pool, all that storm water that came in with the hurricane, any freshwater source. It can clean it and remove the silt, it removes the bacteria, it removes any viruses. You don't even have to take this whole thing with you. Just take the transfer bucket that's included out to that water source, get a big bucket, dump it in, and it will filter out 99.9% of any contaminant that could hurt you or your family. Now that we have some fresh water to drink, let's think about cooking up some food. This is our Starfire camp stove. The nice thing about this is it's more efficient than just building a fire pit. It just uses small amounts of any sort of burnable source. So that could be small twigs, it can be leaves, it can be bits of paper or cardboard, it can be debris that has washed down. But what's really nice is it's a small contained fire, so it's super easy to put out after you're done cooking, and you don't have to worry about leaving a fire burning in a fire pit all afternoon. What's also great about the Starfire camp stove is it's completely self-sufficient. You don't need gas for the grill, which might be hard to find in an emergency. It doesn't need electricity like a hot plate might. All you need is something that's burnable from nature. This is our 72-hour survival food kit. Our survival food is perfect for any disaster because it's super easy to prepare. It only requires water and heat. Also, it's good for up to 25 years in regular storage, and it's perfect for families, for neighbors. You might be the only one after a disaster who's prepared to cook food, and you could be the lifesaver for your entire neighborhood. Also, our survival food doesn't taste like cardboard. We go the extra mile to make sure that our survival food tastes great. So when you do serve it to your families and neighbors, they're gonna love you for it. Our 72-hour survival food kit also comes in disaster-resistant packaging. Now, a flood might take out your box of rice. This guy will survive, even if it gets a little wet on the outside. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you got some great ideas on how to prepare for the next disaster, because you know Mother Nature's not going to stop. There will be a natural disaster that comes to you at some point. So I hope you're prepared, no matter what's going on in the world.